Check. Okay. Hello, Edo. Today is not a gaming day. Okay, I probably should just try to open what I want to do, basically. Not here. Here. So this is what I'm trying to do. The input overlay, but with my own style, rather than, you know, this is the goal. The goal is to make something like this, but not really this exact thing. I already had something in mind, and I finally stream again. I should probably open some stuff to make things easier for me. I used to have that, actually, this, but not in this style. If you look at my old video of OBS gameplay, I have icon in the side, which is the input. I need to figure out how big is actually the... Let's resize the image. And just use free software, honestly. Auto 0. Okay. I think this size is quite okay, right? And so okay, I'm not really familiar with this, honestly, and I don't know why is this empty side is so big. So let's see if I can remove it first. Well, at least I learned something somewhere. Meanwhile, I don't know why is this got pause. Wait, what? Huh? Huh? I don't think I can do anything about this. Or maybe I can. Oh my god, don't. Just because I don't want anything about that doesn't mean I have to remove everything. So I need to figure out how big is the button should be. Okay, 80 pixels then. Okay, I do make 1280 by 800. Okay, this will be a... So the rough sketch is something like this. Now, at the start, might be, but if you guys don't really like it, well, just remove it. it's not really that deep. Also, what am I doing with this? It's too big. Okay. What the? Oh my god, the color is so bad. Wait a second. So I have to prototype it. Honestly, I have to prototype it first because rather than having the controller like that, I would rather have something like this. 2, 3, 4. So the right side button is gonna be something like this instead. So for the button, it will be layout out like that instead of this, so that it takes less space. So you know, I can just put it in the corner like that. And then also I gonna put the shoulder button, something like that. I don't know how long is it. Well, to be honest, I was about to not stream again today, but I wake up actually in the midnight. This is like 2 a.m. in my place. I just, you know what? Let's just stream. Even though it's not a gaming stream. I never really stream at this time anyway. For, well, definitely not a wild reason, right? Not to stream at 2 a.m. Then the analog stick. Oh, unfortunate. Well, my usual stream time was never really changed over the years, actually. Arrows. You know what? Prototyping. Let's just duplicate. This is some prototyping, so whatever. Nope, not that one. Wrong one, hello. Okay. So that will be the arrow. But I have to look, if it's looking weird, then, well, I have to redo it. This is still a prototype, so just a concept first. My old build is not working anymore since the update after all, so I have to redo it anyway. Then yeah, let's do a triangle maybe. Parametric side, just 3. Okay, and then that's the button. So this is something that I have in mind, roughly something like this. So no, what is this again? The shape of the controller, nothing like that. It's just the analog, the start and select, and then the button, and then the arrow. Wait, are there more streams streaming like a one where it is vertical? You mean the layout that is look like shorts? You know, TikTok or something? Actually, I think Restream has that, but it is a pay. No, it's not a paid feature, but my GPU cannot, did not support it, so I cannot do it. So something like that. Might have to make it smaller. Yep, I am using a PC. Okay. I don't think the shape is correct though. I don't want it to be too high. That's why I am going with this layout. Somehow it looks like someone has symmetric freckles. You know, this is someone's eyes, and then this is the freckles, quite a big one. Wait a second, I just realized. And then this is their eyebrows or something, or maybe this is their hair. I didn't mean to do that. Well, it is what I do all the time, no? I'm just using a generic. This. I'm just using this. Ah, damn it. There is nothing to show it. Yeah, I'm just using games at TTS. Also, that is just a reference, by the way. This is basically a reference. You can make it however you want, like a Nintendo Switch controller, even a keyboard and mouse. But for now, I'm just gonna pick the gamepad that I use. So something like this. Yeah, this is something that, not exactly this, no. Yeah, is it though? I think this is the one that I have. Yeah, this is the one I have. I have been using it for like what, 4 years now. Also, why is this keeps pausing? I don't know why is this keeps pausing. And because I stream at this hour, well, there is not much people to watch it anyway, so yeah, it's okay. I just wake up and feeling to do it. Okay, so then I am not mainly an English speaker, by the way. I'm Indonesian, so well, Arabic is not really a strong one. I can do greetings basically because, well, I am a Muslim. Okay. Hence why I didn't, act like a haywire. I can do a little bit of Japanese, still learning though. Still wanna catch that JLPT certificate after all. I kinda need it. I am a Muslim, Islam. Okay, so I think this one should work fine. I just need to get the shape? Where do I get the shape properly? Let's load some font. Font, bubble font. No. Okay. What the hell? Huh? Oh, definitely. Not always. There is, for instance, some polyglot. Definitely not Muslim, for instance. Stumble hill. Okay, I can use that for the shape of the input, I guess. But I have to have it in the shape. Hey, why? Why is it 128? It's too big. Huh. Okay, one. Okay, let's just do 80, I guess. Huh? If I immediately do 80, there is some guidance that I need to follow, like this though, when you make something like this. Simple though, just give a gap. Also, why is the music keeps pausing? Please just play the music. Just so that I don't really too silent. 128. Although I have to admit that this is a little bit I wish I have my YouTube music. YouTube, you know. YouTube is the one that hates me. Like for some reason, it keeps stopping randomly. Or should I just look at my... I think I'm gonna look at my Baba sprites, I guess. Yo, good night. Thanks for coming by. Circle. Okay, let's just open this now here. Okay, fine, 96. Oh yeah, nice. It actually fits perfectly. Okay, god damn it. I have to get the button. Uh, Contract by 2 pixel, I think should be fine. Is it too thin? Ah, it is too thin. Contract it a little bit more. Should be better now. It's too hard though. No. Okay. Color it white, just for the visibility. We can deal with the color later. I think you calculate the size of this. So I'm not sure about this being this shape. And the font might be... Wait, that's the same font. My god. I don't know, man. I don't know why YouTube do that. Okay, I think that should be fine. Okay, I'm not sure if I agree with the positioning though. Yeah. Hey, yo, yo. And then what is the properties? 40 and 15, just to make sure. Okay, it is correct. Okay, no gap. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, now the column though. I probably have to recopy this. Like, yeah. Oh. Okay, nice. I have a working. But I might need some line. Some shading though. Could drop shadow or something of the outline. Okay, the colors should be what I usually use. Now I need the text to be dark. Definitely. Or I can just abandon it though. Oh, no. I should just make it smaller rather than do that. Huh. The thinning is not good. I should make it smaller in the other one rather than this. That doesn't look good. Yeah, I feel like I should just smaller it here. Maybe 19? Wait, what? That's surprising. Did I resize the canvas? No, right? So why is the image still that big? Huh. It's too small though. Maybe this is the one? No? What? Did I not get properly copied this? For some reason. Huh? What? Okay, this is a little bit crazy. Why is the image not getting... It's about the same size, no? Then why I cannot get this to work? So weird. Yeah, it's 72. Why I cannot copy this? What the? What the? Why is it still the wrong one? Okay. There we go. God, the pain to get this to work, it's so bad. Okay, let's color this first to make things easier. Okay, now this is a correct one, the one that is actually working. But it is only 70, huh? Okay, it's okay. So it should be 5 pixel and 5 pixel. Yeah, good. Yeah, you know what? I'm kinda cute. Let's just play that. Kinda salty. Okay. Have to duplicate this, pull this down. Okay. It's just equal though. My mouse keeps going to the side. Should I actually just do that? Okay, I can duplicate this now. Mouse, stop moving, please. Hey. Why is it doing that? I might have to tweak the font size, but let's do that later. Okay, I got that working. Okay, let's keep it for that. Yeah, for now like that. I have to make a decision though whether if I want to keep the same font or not. Yeah, keeping it. I'm keeping it. Now I will do the individual D-pad. One, two, three. Yeah. Up. Oh right, I didn't notify the Discord. Oh. No one is all. No one is online, so whatever, I guess. This is my bad. Oh, yep, there we go. I'll just pick this one. Where the? Yeah, perfect. Got the wait, what? Okay, there we go. And then just add some color overlay. I'm done. Now all I need to do is to rotate the icon. Let's do that later. For now, let's just copy some more. Okay, done. And then down. So it would be nice to have something that is more universally themed, maybe, but this is my choice. Okay, I have to rotate this one by one, right? This is up, so rotate. This is from right, so that. That's a wrong word. Why do I have my image rotated? Okay, this is a down one. Okay, can I do it like that? Nope, don't. Just do it one by one. Oh my god, why do I keep hitting the image one? Nope, that's the wrong one. This one is left, yeah, this one is left, so 180. The next one is the couple more things. What else do I have in Babato? Some triangle maybe? I can definitely use this. Maybe I should just use the icon from Xbox instead. But if I make this 80 by 80, so that means 160 plus the gap from each button, so maybe 164. 164. If I make the analog 94, I still have too much gap. Okay, let's make the analog first then, if that's the case. Double. 160. That might be too big though. Okay, 160 might be too big. Now it's 150. too small. Kinda want to 44. I got the router. There we go. Can I get this here? No. Ah. Yeah, 144 is way too big. Okay, I have to get it 128 then. 3/4, right? Maybe 124. Or 108. Kinda have to think about the radius after all. One 10. 108 should be fine. Hello, Slap. It's been a long time, isn't it? From my last stream. Okay, I don't think I should put it here. Of course. Of course. Video. I done making a game. You probably remember something that is taking this shape. I wish I can make a game right now though, honestly, but I don't really have any good idea. Nor any skill to do it. 4 is too far. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 1 should be okay, right? I have to look at this again, don't. Oh, sorry. Do I have to get a gap here too or not? If yes, then I am in trouble. Okay. Yep. I am basically reverting to my original channel where I played whatever game. Seriously, whatever game. I used to do that before I only played Baba. Oh, you did M3 and DMTK? What is it? Which one? I mean, this is basically a chill stream though, because I don't play game today. Which one though? It's way too much. Seriously, I cannot go to one by one. We did that on my last stream. Well, not the very last one. But yeah. Okay, but one way is kinda too big though. And also I have to put this arrow in. I have to. Just tell me the title and I'll take a look at it. Where is it? Where is my layer? Okay, pull it up and group it. I think the size is fine. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, just tell the name. Probably some YouTube algorithm that block links for some reason. I can search the name. I think just go to GMTK. Can I search from here? Let's see. No, I don't see any. Tenacity, okay. Tenacity. Okay, there is a bunch of this. Maybe this. No, not this one. Regimen. What? Why is it not found? Huh. Why is it not found though? That's quite... Huh. Oh, what the... That's quite weird. Yep. I don't understand. It is quite weird. Why is it not showing in the search? Yep. Okay, so you are making a puzzle platformer that you only have 10 seconds. Wait, isn't it like the one that I just played? You know, the... Why not? Isn't it concept voice? But it's roughly okay. Okay, you don't have any music, so I'm just gonna play Death to Lizard. Oh, never mind. There's some music. This stream turned into me testing games again, but... Huh? Wait. That one you got a different timer and it's not auto jumping. What? I don't think this is supposed to happen, right? Is it though? Huh? Is this supposed to happen? Wait a second. I have to ask you, Slap. Is this supposed to happen? Uh-oh. If this is 10 seconds, I am screwed. Or is it my controller broken again? But my controller is dead though. Okay, wait a second. Oh, okay. Wow. No! Uh, oh my god. Okay. Wait, what? After respawn. Okay. Uh-oh, this is like jumping. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. I cannot even get a normal jump. Oh dear. Okay, maybe my problem with this is, well, because it's auto jump. Oh, this is why. Yep. The opening gate is too tight. Seriously. Yep. What I mean by opening gate is the difficulty. But then again, it's already disclosed from the beginning, so... Oh my god, yeah, I cannot get into it. And also I cannot really too loud. It's 3 AM. I just managed to wake up earlier. Well, it is quite challenging, even though basically the control is just A and D. I mean, what can I do? I cannot even fit to that with my definitely mid-level, yep, mid-level part, mid-level platforming. Huh? Wait, what the Q doing again? Toggle mode scheduler. Is that? Oh, hello Mr. Haters. It is Tenacity, made by the YouTube chatter Slime Usually Dog, aka Regiman. It is hard. I'll be honest. Also, I didn't change my stream type, didn't I? Oh my god. Is that what happened? Oh my god. I didn't mean to scam people into watching. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. It is a jam game. The problem is I am not skilled enough to do this part. Well, I think the learning curve is way too high. Seriously. If I play this in the jam submission time, that's probably my first thing. I mean, if you make it later on feels easy, then yeah, I think learning curves might be the adjustable thing if you want to. And if you don't realize enough, Mr. Haters, this is auto jump, so enjoy that. I mean, it will not be this hard if you can control the jump. If you can't, then yeah, unfortunate. I cannot really fit into the top gap after all. Are we still playing Baba, by the way, Slap? I haven't touched the game since I back to streaming last month. Yeah. Although the music is nice though, I have to say. But definitely I cannot really play this. Really. Like really. Also, why is it keeps getting me to the... How does it do though? The score got 3. The audio might be... The audio is good though, I would say. The idea is okay, but the difficulty... Oh, you didn't really think about the other player. Yep. Yep. I agree with this one. Maybe if the learning curve is a little bit forgiving at the early part so that the player can actually learn a bit, that might be more lookable, if you ask me. I think you already get the message though. I kinda missed this for like 2 weeks. The top left form is not the problem with the, it's not too high. It is just too tight. The problem is it's too tight, if you ask me, right? The music is nice, I would say, actually. It's not too high, so looking like that, right? It's just too tight. I can barely control it. Oh, no, it's okay. I mean, I stopped streaming again because I finally got a Wi-Fi working in my place. And this time I can play a little bit more than just Baba. But of course, the main way is either an OG game, basically my middle school. I got it and then remember that I only got 10 seconds. That's another thing. This part for 10 seconds, well, for basically, if I say beginner lobby in Celeste, then yeah. Also, this is not supposed to be a gaming stream for today. I do have some demo I want to look. There is like what, 5 demo I want to look at. I'll go back to that maybe. But well, I gotta finish this. So for anyone who's just joining, so my goal is to make something like this, but with my own choice of design. This is basically the reference. I want to do it my own style. Also, I don't know why in the world is that part is... Oh, it's just a bug. Sorry, Slap. I just didn't really have things. So, if you look at my about page or the one description in below, I basically just play indie games and the old games like the PS2, PS3 era of release nowadays. Yeah, I honestly think the game is potentially good. You just probably had to make it a bit dumb easy. Yeah, I'm just gonna explain it like that. You can still tweak it for the post jam though, I would say that. For today only though, I would not really focus on game. Uh, hmm. Ayo, mate. I feel like that gonna looks terrible though. If I want this, I feel like I should just make a small indent at the corner, like rather than. Oh. So okay, the only thing that I would say could be better is I would say, okay, I'm just gonna make a rough level maybe for your. When I say dump down, don't use a black. Let's just make a new. Okay, I'm just gonna make this for rough sketch. Like, you can just actually make a level just something like that, you know. In my opinion, just something like the first screen, like the first level on the game is actually pretty okay for a demo. I don't think doing it vertically is that bad though. It's just don't make it too tight for the early part, because well, as you can see, having a high gap like this is just too hard. It's just my opinion though. Yeah. Okay, I might have to make it a dot instead. This is way too. Okay, let's just use this, I guess. Yeah, let's just use that. Color overlay it to dark, and then move it to this corner. Yeah, should be done. Should be fine, right? I actually gonna make it like my own controller where it has 8 instead of 4, like in the reference, and make it roughly a circle. That should be fine. And this is just a drawing part. Yep, this is true actually, making easier. If I want to make it more trolley, I will not do it actually like that. Actually, when you make a troll level, I would say make it deceptive. Deceptively easy. That's what I mean. Also, no, that's the wrong one. No, that's the wrong one. Which one is it? No, no. What? Oh, that's why it's wrong. Okay. Make it the same height. The same as this. Level the height. Wait, what? I don't think this is gonna be aligned too well, unfortunately. Okay, that should be okay. And then one, two, three. Okay, and then make a color. No, so this is my each page. I don't have any game. This is my awful level pack. Do not play it, honestly. Seriously. This is what I was having currently, actually, but it is not working with current plugins version, so I have to remake it from scratch. I unfortunately did not make any games yet because skill issue, definitely, and I probably rather making content instead of making games. Wait. Actually, color. Okay, let's throw it here. Okay, something like that. Even with this, I'm just actually copying this mostly, but have some understanding because I used to have that anyway, and looking at the wiki should be helping, definitely. I will do keyboard and maybe mouse later. I could, definitely, anyone can. It's just, are you willing to do it? And my current state, no. I am not willing to do it now. It's just for now though. Maybe I can do it later. Wait a second. I forget that I am having a black background. Okay, let's go this. What the? Oh, okay. Analog. What else is next then? L1, L2, huh? Square. Is there any rectangle though? I feel like there is nothing like that, right? Yep, no. But I can edit this into that I wanted. Oh, damn it. Square. Is there something I genuinely didn't remember. Definitely. I was trying to learn using GameMaker at one point, but in the middle of time, I got distracted and then it didn't happen in the end. I'm kind of surprised. It's like 3:30 almost. Well, thanks for coming by, Slav. Yeah, I'm starting streaming again since like last month and a half. I kind of grinding again. I mean, remember that my channel was supposed to be dead. Okay. How big was it before? 84 maybe? I can clean this out now. Wait, what? That's not what I was supposed to do. 72 might be too big. Might be. I cannot really promise though my stream hour will be, you know, compatible. It just so happened that I wake up at 1 a.m. and then I was like, yeah, you know what? I want to do something. So let's just stream. But I don't want to really play game today. So I'm just gonna try doing something. If you want any, if you want to hear some BGM, go request it, but maybe not the copyrighted stuff. Let's just gonna take the stream down. That's also a thing. Okay. Maybe I should merge it first. So double the canvas size 168. Move this one. And then rotate this 180. What the? Why is it? Oh, it's the image. Why do I keep doing that? It's the image usually. Is this good enough for L1 though? So the goal is to make things like this for the button. You know what? I think I'm gonna YOLO this one. The text should be white first. Okay, let's deal with the text later. Merge down. Should I thin it out? I feel like I can just thin it out like that. Maybe? Just to make it a little bit more compact. It won't really affect the font in any way, since the text is just LBLT probably. Okay, actually not that bad. Now I can throw it here. There it is. No, don't resize. Stop it. Hey, why? But it is a bit thicker though than the other button, huh? Probably that's a problem. The height might be fine. The thickness is not. Okay, image size. Let's change it. Is this the same thing? Here we go again. I have to deal with this. Is this still the same thing? Oh my god. Sometimes it just happen. Even though it is already 117 by 72. I really want to make this one works. Hello, can I get the smaller one please? Why do I keep having that? Things happen, I guess. Okay. Please. Stop. Stop resizing. One, two, three. Yeah, let's just make it 4, I guess. Kinda have a feeling that this might not be. Hey, my. 83. Okay, and then deselect that. Just in case. Okay. Move it by 1 pixel. Move it by 1. Fit by 1. Okay. -1. Okay, let's take it out. Group it. And then put some text on it. LB. Okay, the only wrong one is the text color. And maybe the size, because it's a little bit too big. Yep. Okay, 40. Okay, too low. Okay, that should be fine. And then J. One, two, three. Okay. Now I have to fill this. Text to black. That's not how you do it. That's not how you do it. Oh. Okay. Throw it back. Here we go. Not really efficient, I know, but it gets the job done, so it's fine. Now for RB, I'm just gonna duplicate this, move this to the side. One, two, three, four. Okay, I might have to tweak something first. So delete this one, remake the copy. Wait, what? Wait a second, that's not how it's supposed to do. Oh. Of course it wasn't gonna do anything. Up, move up. What? Oh, okay. I thought it was broken. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I can just leave it like that, but I'm gonna mirror this. Just to make it a little bit distinct. RB. Okay, LBRB is done. I can make LTRT now. I can make it the same size. So, okay, let's see. So this is 72. Okay, because I want the same dimension, I actually gonna make this tower. And because this image is still here, let's just size it here. And then oh, no. Okay. Here we go again. The resizing conundrum. Ah, the music died again. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. If this copyrights me, then I'm so dead. Okay, why is it there? Why was it there? What is the reasoning? Favorite its game. If I were to turn back the time, the first game that I played. If you feel like I'm a little bit silent, just ask me. Is that still here? Yep, still here. This is one of my favorite game from it. There is also okay. I can just check my YouTube though. Honestly, this is not the same. This is not meant to be a shameless plug or anything, but I sometimes forget how much game that I have played. Capture Overload was fun. Where is Oh, the music. I honestly kinda scared that this is gonna take down my stream or copyright it later. And I don't know if this is AI thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, all the music on this channel is original. Okay. Hey, that doesn't mean it's not AI, but they didn't say anything. It's called 90s Japanese lo-fi. The one that I played before was the Lizard release. If you ever watch Carl Sagan 42, you already know that. Six Cat Under was one of my favorite. I don't know where is my playlist. Where is my playlist of the what? Oh, here we go. Please do not play the video. Plug away? You mean? Okay, let's see if I remember something. Alright, I actually played this on the jam version. I like it, but I don't know about the release version actually. Oh, Short Hack is incredible. What else did I remember? Well, Hempuli released a bunch of things. This one in particular is quite memorable. I already put it in the thumbnail. So this is a platformer made by Bawaisu creator Hempuli. So you control one of the characters from Bawaisu, but the control is devious because you are using Alt. Did I remember correctly? Alt to jump. Oh wait, Alt to run, and then F4 to jump. And then when you need a running jump, you know what happened without F4. Yeah, a lot of Hempuli release on it is absolutely wild. Hempuli. Now, the thing is, I actually a sucker for a free game. And you know what? The guy has made a bunch of free games. Like what I just said, this one is free. Although you kinda have to download it. It's working on Linux too. You just need to put it into some Wine or Proton. You can just put it on Steam basically as a non-Steam game. That's an easy trick to play Windows game on Linux. This one is more of a meme thing, and then there is this where you have Bawaisu but the physics are basically a jelly. Yep, that's a correct description of it. This one is paid, unfortunately. I have it. It's fun, but not really my thing. What else do I have to play? I haven't tried this Copenhagen 2030. Oh, there is this bunch too, by the way, in which I haven't played. I think I saw Cufflink, maybe? If you want some thing, but most of this is just a Sokobanto. I mean, it's tiny block push-ups from the beginning, it's already said. Root chess is interesting, definitely. I don't know if you ever watched Ice League puzzles, but I think he did some of these games. I think I haven't contacted Ashley since ages though. But yeah, if you want a bunch of games, you can try Police. Okay, back to this though. I have to finish this. Oop. Okay, duplicate this. And then just fill this bottom one. Hey, rasterize. What? Oh. Okay, there is nothing inside, so that's good. I don't want to fill it with black immediately, since I don't know what might happen. And then just copy this text. What the? I know. I'm already at text layer 149. Yes, you're welcome. LT or LT first. Although if I want to hunt game again, but I don't really sure because there are some game type that I don't really want. Three. Change the feel. I don't really like horror games, if I have to say. Hence why I think I don't feature any on my channel. Okay, let me remember. I forget if Super is Hot is still somewhere though. You might want to try to search it. Super is Hot. Right. There is one more game that I think is incredible, technically speaking. Oh yeah, the game is still here. If you like Super Hot and you like Babesio, well, try this. Although I don't know, I'm not sure how good it is in its submission, but it is a good game, I can say. Huh. Source code release. LT. Change the font color. Okay, can group it now. Okay. Let's flip this to the side. Hey, if only. My mouse is not running haywire. It will be much faster maybe, or less janky at least. Okay, I have to test run this first, so I'm gonna export. I'm gonna do export. Oh wait, I haven't made the start and select button, don't I? Yep, I haven't do this. So, well, I have to do it like that again. Okay. Can just do it to the side of this though. But maybe just... Okay, I'm just gonna use this again. But immediately scale it smaller. Remind me again, how big is this? 108. Okay, 160 minus 108 is 52, but I am not gonna use the full 52. I'm just gonna use a 48. What? 478? Yeah. Pull this one here. No, not like that. At least until the start and select button is done. Oh, like no, rasterize fill, and then I can technically just invert color there, but let's not. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna scrap this idea actually, and instead going back to my old friend circle here. $70. Okay, I'm gonna make it to the size of 54, 44, a little bit too small. Yep. Thanks for coming by, Mr. Adams. 48, yeah. Okay, that's the correct one. That's the correct one. I cannot put it there. Wait, which one is this? Okay, 48, 48. Please copy the correct size. Where is it? No, it's just the wrong size again. You gotta be... Oh, never mind. Set it to the top and to the right. Yeah, good. And then center. Now I can make it just darker. Then triangle. Where is it? What? Why is it on the bottom ground? Actually, that is a good positioning. Okay, J. Okay, should be fine for now. You can just wait for the Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna save this. Save as PSD. Okay, nice. Okay, let's test it. So it took almost 2 hours for just the drawing, let alone the thingy. Unbelievable. Okay. I didn't have anything, so just keyboard. No, that's not what I wanted. Gamepad button. Now the question is how big it should be. 0, 80, 80. that correct though? Have to test it. Don't I? Oh, great. Of course, it didn't work. The web page is just didn't work for some reason. Well, I'm just gonna add a play. Maybe I can just cheat my way with this for now and then test it later. Z1 IDA. That's the only thing I needed. I think Z is just for hide in the thing, right? So the reason it is, yep, 0 is for the thing, 1 is for thing. Well, I don't really use it anyway, so it's fine. More button. 84. Okay, 85. B is using A is 0x0, B is 0x1. I'm just gonna copy paste from that, honestly, because my controller did not wanna input, sadly. 0x1. What? Okay, nice. It actually record things properly. Okay, now this is just a rough layout. I'm gonna correct it later. 169, nice. Uh, 169 tumble X, and I think it's 0x2, so there's that. And now it's a Y. $253 maybe? It looks correct to my eyes. Can just zoom in. Yep, perfect. X3. And then up, which is, I don't remember which thing is the code is. Okay, the ID is D-pad up and the code is 0xb. Oh, great. That's the wrong text, everybody. 37. No, 337. Okay, this is gonna be a rough positioning for now. And then I have to put it correctly. Upright. Right is E, left is D, This one is C. Okay. And I already forget which one is E. Okay. So I think up, down, left, right. Yep, it is something like that. So this is actually correct already. 0xc 4 2 1. Or is it 4 2 2? Okay, 4 2 1 is correct. So I'm just gonna add 84 every time, then from this point on. For 2505 then. And then the last one is like plus 85 is 84 is 89. Okay, I have to check things again. Okay, it is correct. So looking at this, it looks fine. I'm still gonna add buttons though. Okay, next up is the back button. ID select, and the code is 4. Okay, I have to move it here for starters. It's only 48, right? Or if things is too hard, let's just use this. $635 and 171. $635 and 71. Okay, perfect. And now another thing to add is the start. 635 plus 52. 87. Wait, 86? Wait, 86? Okay, now the thing that is left is still no. Okay, what? LS? Why did you ID it like that? Wait, I forget to change the ID, don't I? This one is 6. This one is 4. Yep, I forget to ID it. Yeah. What the? Okay. Add new game, but again, I'm just gonna ID this LB. Cause cool UK. This one is 7. 9. That one is 9. This one is A. Okay. The guide might be 5 then? No. The guide is guide. Oh, right. There is still this. That might be why it is 9 and A. I think that is the wrong one. One 32, 168. The size though, 117.72. Okay. Okay, I was supposed to make it this shape, like. Two 46. No, 253. 253. And then 0xa. This little bit is actually pretty distracting, so I'm gonna remove it later. Gamepad trigger. Trigger. $374.16. No, sorry. Okay, $374.167. No, 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 not that one. Now the size of the thing though. It's 127.78. Okay. Okay, what is the setting left? Okay, the fill side. When it's filled up, it means it is moving from bottom to top, right? Okay, let's try this for now. Oh, the trigger is actually working already. Nice. If I make use a button, might do better. Okay, now that it works, and then the RT is 505. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty sick though. Okay. Now I can start arranging stuff. It's gonna be pretty gigantic, isn't it? Wait, is that how am I decided to do things? This one. Yeah, this one. I have to remember the concept that I did. Yeah, just close it. Okay, yeah, I gonna follow this. That means stop, right, left, bottom. And then this is the start menu. Okay, this is still a fast one. Analog stick. Okay, another. One. The size is 108, I believe. 169. Okay. 169. One oh eight. My God. Stop moving. Okay. ID. I need ID. Left analog stick. The radius. Let's try 16 first. Yeah, I need some texture then behind this because this is not gonna work. Okay, if it's left, now it's back. Okay. Okay. Okay, not exactly the best, if I'm being honest, but nonetheless a good base to start. Okay, this is the far left, then that. Okay, am I gonna zoom in? Okay, the line is not exactly the same. Okay, that's completely flush. I just need to arrange it now accordingly. That means it's not enough. That's a 150. $160. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think I make this smaller than I supposed to be. I was supposed to have it like 5 pixel higher maybe, because it is smaller than the button. I'll do it later, I guess. Okay, let's touch this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then the analog, in which I have to put it enough space. So from that, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 24 should be enough. Then I have to put this somewhere too. Definitely not there. Maybe here. Okay, let's go. Okay. I just have to fill it now. This is the far top right. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Should be fine. Okay, because I split up, right? That means wait, is this correct though? Oh, this is... Okay. This has to confirm that. Okay, it is correct. X and Y on top, and A and B is on the bottom. So visually, the corner of the right stick has to be close, but not touching the button. $660. Okay, 662, and then I'm just gonna try to fit this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the Y is 87. I'm just gonna... Okay, the gap is 54. It's 910. -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I feel like this part could be better. Maybe make it smaller. Like here. Maybe make it long instead of circle. So maybe just a triangle, maybe? I can just make it a triangle here. And then make a square instead. That's definitely an option. Also, I need this to be actually not like this, behaving wise. I need behaviorally. This should be the back, the radius. Like the analog should not be going past that, so that I can actually put this here. So I can actually put the analog like that. And then making maybe some thing here, like the separator. I can technically make the analog control here, sorry, the guide button here, but I don't want to. So can I select a bunch of things? Okay, I can. So the okay. And then make this the guide button, right? When it is inactive or active, but I honestly don't want to use it anyway, so this should be suffice. I just need some splitter maybe. Okay, too close. Okay, let's export this. And then actually deal with it. And now put it to the test. Might not be looking the best though, I had to admit. Go back. Okay. Okay, it is officially working. It took me what then basically 2.5 hours. This is working, but I have to tweak it some more. Well, at least the stream today is actually useful, to say the least. Although my stick drift is so bad. And and it doesn't look like having any issue so far. This is just a badly configured one. Maybe from the viewer's point of view might be a problem. Okay, why I want to make this distinct. It's a bit big though, so I have to smaller it. Make it smaller. Alright. So it was supposed to be in the bottom right like that. Okay, make it smaller. Because I feel like it is taking way too much space on the screen. Maybe that much is fine. Okay, the only thing that I have to tweak is whether if I want the trigger to be acting like that or just press a button. I mean, it is looking good even when it is acting like that. And the second thing is it distracting the view? And compared to that, obviously I'll pick my own. Okay, technically it is symmetrical, technically speaking, Should I make the button smaller again? Or arrange it some way that doesn't make it weird looking? Right now it is looking weird. If I make it here, then I feel like it is too close to each other. Yeah, I can make it smaller. This could be smaller. Or not even having the circle. Which is absolutely an option too. Had to be consistent though. Okay, for instance, if I place it here, it is not as bad. But I think I'm just gonna keep the shape instead. Wait, that's the wrong spot. This time analog. Okay, it is only like visually, so I have to re-edit the image then. So this prototype is all happening. I just need to tweak this. And the tweak doesn't even need to be crazy. Just need to delete the layer. And then change the stuff. Okay, input be gone for now. Lock it there. Okay, the fix is gonna be very simple. Okay, make it 2 pixel. The color is correct. This one is the one that I changed. So that should be fine. And now this. Then I have to color this something else then. No. Now the stroke should be black. Yeah, it wasn't really necessary. Okay, copy that and then paste. This one, just to create. Okay. So technically I can put it here. I just don't need it now. Can just save as PSD again, just in case, and then export. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna edit the. Where is the RT? Okay. Okay. Time to reject the stuff. Okay. Yeah, I decided to just make it a button instead of a trigger. Okay. So I accomplished my goal actually in this. Okay, and diagonally it actually looks better for the direction. So I can have a top, uh, up right, down left, up left, down right. Yeah, it. I think the D-pad actually looks good. The pulse could be better, honestly. These two button. The backend select could be better, but for now I will take it. Maybe I can make this ball smaller though. But if I make it any more smaller, I feel like it will be mistaken with the button, so I would rather not. The trigger works fine. Yep, actually excellent. Okay. Then I so it turns out the 3 pixel gap is actually it. Nothing crazy needed, which is nice. Definitely nice. Okay, I'm just gonna check this real quick, I guess. Since I don't really know how many of anyone left in my stream. I don't think any much people left here. So okay. Since my input there is working now. Okay. I'm just gonna there's nothing though. Okay. Now that I'm done with this, I can basically compare it side by side. So compared to this, I have this now. It's, I think, can be small up again. I'm gonna make it smaller again. Okay, the width might be a problem. But the height, I think, looks fine. Yeah. So I'm just looking at this preview and then compare to this. This looks more compact, maybe overall. I can make it like this too, more compact, but I don't have to. Like really, I don't have to. To make it more compact, I just need to move this analog button here and here. I won't have that problem that I have with this currently. But yeah. I guess it looks good now. Hmm. If I rasterize the triangle now, I can have a double to make it looks nicer. Maybe, possibly. And it does hit still, so there is that. Okay, if I want to make this smaller, I have to tweak this then, so that I can send the triangle to the top. Well, I'm gonna do it later, I guess. And the button, the bumper and the trigger might need some cleanup because I kinda don't like the tiny, uh, this tiny line over here. I kinda don't like it. There is that. But for now, I think I'm gonna end the stream. It's almost 5 a.m. I wanna do something else. Maybe I'm gonna stream in a couple hours. Just to test things. Maybe, possibly, definitely. Hopefully. For now though, thank you everyone for coming by. I hope you have some fun with this kind of wild, weird stream. In the meantime,